don't know why. I love the sound of my car in the morning. It has really nice cold start. And yeah, so today we are going to go. Oh,
line in. Please say a command.
sorry about that. But yeah, so today we're gonna go film, I believe, with my friend Drew and Ryan, and then we're gonna meet up Brock Shoemaker's going, I believe. He's gonna help train the kids. And yeah, we're just gonna film, hang out, and have some fun. So see you when we get there. What's up?
Is this for the vlog?
We're out here at Milestone.
Pro day, getting those vlogs out.
Hanging out with Jason, his brother, freaking Ryan Kivlin, that's how you pronounce his last name, right? Ryan Kivlin, and then Drew. We're making edits.
Dude, I'm chewing. Watch the boys send it.
Stay for the vlog?
Honestly, yeah, totally come out to Milestone MX. It's pretty cool. And always come out, retake. All right, we're out here at Milestone MX. We just finished up the day. It's pretty fun, totally. They had a pro day, so they combined both the tracks. If you guys are not subscribed to Gas's channel, go ahead and do that. Post fire stuff, and he's a cool ass guy. Later. That's me. Later.
Say bye to your people.
Later, doggies.
Okay, what is up, guys? I just got back to my car because I met with Ryan and Drew at a Target off the 118 because we don't live close to each other, and I wanted to ride with them. So yeah, we got back. After the track, we went and ate some good food, and now I'm headed back home, make you guys some bangers. So yeah, thanks for always viewing my shit, and like and subscribe, and look on Instagram for the bangers. Peace.